really late. Okay, let's start. Start off by talking about what is blood? Why do we need it? Blood is needed to keep us alive. It brings oxygen and nutrients to all the parts of the body so that they can keep working. Blood carries carbon dioxide and other waste materials into the lungs and kidneys and digestive system to be removed from the body. Blood also fights infections and carries hormones around the body. Okay. So, physical and chemical properties of blood that are important to forensics. The physical properties of blood may also play a key role in allowing investigators to reconstruct events at a crime. The size and shape of blood droplets can provide useful information. Blood that falls straight down will tend to form a more symmetrical droplet, while falling at an angle will be less symmetrical. The roughness of the surface on which the blood has fallen also plays a key role. Blood dropped onto concrete, for example, will tend to have more jagged shape than blood dropped onto a softer or not so soft surface, onto blood splatter. And these different types of blood splatters are different. First one we have is arterial spray. Refers to the spurt of blood released from a major artery is severed. Or gunshot splatter includes both forward splatter and exit wound, and back splatter from the entrance wound. Or cast off. Cast off is results when an object swung in an arc flings blood into nearby surfaces. I really don't know how to say this word, but it sounds like experiated splatter. It's usually caused by blood from an internal injury mixing with air from the lungs being expelled through the nose, mouth, or an injury to the airways of the lungs. Next one is blood typing. A blood type is a classification of blood based on the presence and absence of antibodies and inherent energetic substance on the surface of red blood cells. It is done so you can safely donate your blood or receive a blood transfusion. That's why it's important, because if you have a bad transfusion, then it's good. Here are some methods of detecting. Well, I have to pause him for a second because we missed one, and I'm gonna do that real quick. DNA from blood, what is it? And red blood cells don't have any DNA as they lose their nuclei as they mature. So the DNA in our blood is in the white blood cells, and to get it, scientists have to spin a small sample of the blood at a high speed to separate the cells from the blood fluid. And unpause in blood whenever it's cleaned or covered up. The first method they use is luminol. It's able to react with iron and hemoglobin, and oxygen carrying and iron containing protein in the red blood cells. Another one is fluorescein. Fluorescein is a way of testing for blood. It is useful in the detection of patterns of older, distinct, or latent blood stains, and in detecting the residue of blood remaining after a stain has been cleaned. The appearance of it appears in a greenish white fluorescent, and it indicates the possible presence of blood. So you can see it, but yeah. That's all I really have. I gotta figure out what to do for the physical model. Why do you have to make it 25? Alright. This is stupid.